Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and delete a profile on Netflix account. In this case I'm going to show you how to do it on mobile or your phone. So here I have already opened the Netflix apps, and it's usually will show like this. And to add a profile you can basically just click on this plus button to add a profile. Then you can just choose type in the profile name, for example, and you can change the icon if you want, and after that just click on save, and then a new profile will be just created. And to delete you can just click on a profile, for example here, go to the profile photos or at the top right corner, click on manage profiles, and then here choose the profile that you want to edit or delete. For example, I want to delete this profile, and here at the bottom you'll see a delete profile option. Click on that option. Okay, so it's currently active, so I'm going to choose another profile first. Okay, so in here just click on delete profile, and then if you're sure to delete the profile just click on delete profile, and just like that the profile has been deleted on your Netflix account. Okay guys, so that's all. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. Bye.